Hey, this is a song I wrote for a friend of mine that passed away. It's called The Voicemail. Here it is. I'm calling you to see what you did today. I know you haven't been around your phone. How's your mom and dad? 'Cause I know you just moved out. How'd they ever handle you leaving their home? Oh, and how things go